how to fix Msvcp140.dll missing on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. So first thing what I want you to do is just head over to your favorite browser and simply search in for Msvcp140.dll download. So once you're inside here, just select this first link, which will be the official page to download the DLL file. So first simply download the both 64 and 32-bit download file, DLL file for both 64 and 32-bit. Make sure you download for both architecture, not just one. So as you can see, I've successfully downloaded both the 64 and 32-bit files under my PC. So you just have to simply extract it later on. So now what I want you to do is just rename the files so that you can remove it for the next time. And once you successfully complete that, simply open up your this PC folder and simply head over to local disk C and select Windows folder. So once you're inside Windows folder, just search in for the System32 as well as System Syswow64 folder. So first let me select System32. So now what I want you to do is just extract the System64 architecture file over here, which is zip file. So let me just quickly set up the folder as well, this to the right side, and let me just quickly extract the 32 file for the next time as well. And once you do all of that, just open up your System32 folder first and simply paste the 64-bit file over there, just like this. Simply drag and drop the DLL file only, not readme file, just DLL file. So once you drop in the Msvcp DLL file for the 64-bit inside the System32 folder, now next thing, just head back to the System64 folder, that is our Syswow64 folder. So simply open it. Now I want you to paste System32-bit file, that is our 32-bit DLL file, under the Syswow64 file folder. So once you do that, just restart your PC. And here's also another thing what you want to do before restarting your PC is just head over to search bar and simply search in for appwidget.cpl1, and you just have to open this command just like this, which will open this program files, all of the applications, and you just simply have to locate the Microsoft Visual Studio C++ files. So you can basically right click and click on change and hit the repair button to change it if there's any problem regarding this. And once you do for every single Microsoft Visual file from over here or applications. So let me just quickly complete it. As you can see, it has been completed. You can do the same for other Visual C++ files as well. And once you do that, just restart your computer and your issue should be fixed successfully. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.